Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm glad you stopped in and I hope you come back and see more videos. Everybody who's returning, hello again, hello. So I have some things here on the counter to show you from GBFKE. They were kind enough to let me place another order with them and get some more things to show you. And let's get to it. I'll have them linked below so that you can find them if it's something you're interested in. I think they're pretty cool. So let's just get right to it and I can show them to you. All right, let's move that aside so we got some room here. And let's get on with the first one. Are you ready? It's a beauty. I'll just say, I'm going to zoom you in here because we're a little far away. There we go. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay, all of the paintings come with a little toolkit like this. Here's our drills and look at it. Isn't it pretty? It's so, so, so pretty. It's just this beautiful vase full of flowers. I think it's gorgeous. I think they look like Lenten roses, but just that's my take. Anyhow, there are 6 different drills here. A lot of larger ones. Look at all those 5s and 6s. I think these are going to be just gorgeous. Oh, that's right. This did not come in a bag. This is how the drills came, just like this. So let's show you what we have. We have some deep, deep purples. I think that's going to be like the centers of the flowers. We have clear for the white flowers, right? Pink and green for the leaves. Here's our fun things. We have big white pearls, and look at those pretty pink teardrops. Those are going to be all the centers of those flowers. And look at all of the pearls. Oh my gosh, isn't it going to be pretty? It's pretty, I'm telling you. I love it. What do you think? Like I said, I'll have it linked below so you can find it if you like that one. Okay, let's move on to the next one. What do we have next? We have some owls. I haven't gotten owls in a while, so I was like, I don't know, this one was really cute. It has 5 different drills, and I can see the large drills are the 4s and the 5s, which are going to go on the wings. So I'm going to assume we got greens. I don't know, clear, I don't know, pink for the little flower buds around the edges, but aren't they cute? It just reminds me of a mother owl and her baby. And she's probably teaching baby a lot of things. You guys, it's spring here. The owls are here. I've been hearing them at night out in the back. Our hooty owl, hoo-hoo, you know, the hoo-hoo owl. It's so cool. It is so cool. I do love me a good owl. Anyhow, here's our drills. There's the pink, like I was talking about, for all the little flowers and the heart. There's the clear, and there's the green. Hey, I did pretty good, didn't I? Then here are our feathers, our little feathers. We have the faceted marquee in clear, but they're also iridescent. And then we have some green teardrops. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I think that's going to be really pretty. Another package of drills that did not come in its own little bag. I mean, it's okay, but it's just harder for me to attach them to the painting because I like to attach the bag to the painting. A little harder for me to do that. Anyhow, last painting, you guys. Just wait. Look at that. My kitties. My kitties. Okay, that would have to be sunny and that would have to be misty, right? And you will find them like this often, just cuddled up next to each other, snuggling and loving on each other. Look at them. Don't they look like they're just in bliss? They're in bliss, kitty bliss. All right, 6, 7, 8, 9 different drills. I can already tell there's hearts inside the hearts. I don't know what the other special drills are. I don't even see. Oh, over here on the cat, on the little gray kitty over here. We'll get some. Looks like some marquee. I don't know what color they're going to be, but we'll find out in a second. All right, here are our drills. Are we ready? Okay, so here is our clear rhinestone. These are grays. This is all for the gray kitty. And there's black, just regular black drills. Now let's get to the orange kitty. Orange and kind of a brown. Okay, the red is for all of the hearts, right? And we have some pink for the hearts, red and pink for the hearts. Oh my, oh my, 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 look at those. That's gonna go on the gray kitty. Those are like black on the back. They're very dark, but they are like blue and green. And oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. Those are so pretty. Wow. And then there's our pink hearts. Those are stunning. Wow, you look at that one and it's purple. You turn it a different way. Well, actually, you know what? I don't know. I think they're like the green doesn't really change. Neither does the purple. They stay the same. Okay, well, that will be interesting. Huh. Well, that's fun. Those are gorgeous. Okay, so there's 3 paintings that I picked out. And then, of course, we got something in a box. Something in a box. What do we have in the box? Let's find out. I never remember, you know. It's always a surprise to me. Oh, okay. I remember now. Okay, this will be interesting. I'm going to turn this over. Nope, it's not what I thought it was. Okay, never mind. It's just a hanging. I thought it was something different. I've been seeing clocks like that hang, like these round pendant type things, but they're a clock. So here's our chain to hang it by. Oh, I love the lobster clasps. I love that. All right. So then we have our drills, pre-bagged. Love that. And here is the piece. All right, here we go. Nothing printed on the back. You can already tell it's a hummingbird. Nothing's printed on the back. Sometimes they're printed on the back, sometimes they're not. But there is a film. Make sure you take it off. And there's the piece. It is a hummingbird, and it just says welcome. How pretty is that with a whole just beautiful bouquet of flowers there? I thought it was just gorgeous. I have seen some that are clocks, and I thought maybe this was a clock one, but it's not. I may have to get one of those someday. Get the hanging clock. That'd be kind of cool. I've made a couple clocks before. They were like on tin. I have not done one like this though. Might have to think about that for my next order. All right, what do we have? Let's see. We have gold rhinestones, light blue, a teal, another blue, a clear, a green, and a like champagne color, moving into an orange, lots of colors, all those flowers, and a brown. We have a mint color, and one pink, and another pink, and another pink, and another green. And here's the special drills. They're all, well, I thought they were all the same type of drill, but they're not. So we have these pink marquees, which are the smooth ones. And then we have green and gold faceted marquee. So that's what we have. All right. Yeah, the hummingbird over here is definitely getting some on his wing, probably the green. Yep, the green. The orange is probably going to go in this flower here. Where's the pinks? Where are the pinks? The little pink ones. Oh, right up here on this flower up here. So how pretty is that, right? Absolutely gorgeous. I do love me some pre-bag drills. So easy to work on, you know, in the bags. I love it. All right, so that's what we have. We have the clock. Okay, just sit there. Not, I called it the clock. See, now I got clock on the brain. I'm going to get a clock, right? We got the cute little kitty cats. We got owl baby and mama, and then beautiful flowers. This is all very springy feeling. Isn't that just springy feeling? It's very pretty. I love all of them. They'll all be linked below for ease of location, so you can find them and go check them out. All right. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you return and watch more videos and click the like button and subscribe button. And, you know, if you like the video, you can always do a super thanks, or, you know, there's just tons and tons of ways to support a creator. So thank you so much for all you do. And until next time, have a great day. It's time for me to go put my robe on and get warm and cozy because it is a cold, rainy day here today. It's cold. Yes, it is. All right. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you all soon. Bye, you guys.